Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky.
Hello guys, welcome to Inquisitive Galaxy, and we are back with another episode of the series Natural Satellites. Today we will explore the crown jewel of our solar system and the multitude of worlds Saturn around it is best known among common folks as the planet with the rings. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is the least dense planet in the solar system. If our oceans were big enough, then Saturn would simply float on them. Saturn has over 82 moons, outnumbering the mighty Jupiter, having 79 moons. Saturn's moon Titan and Enceladus were a source of mystery for astronomers. Voyager 1 visited Saturn and changed its trajectory to visit Titan, but because of course correction, Voyager 1 missed Uranus and Neptune, but it was worth the sacrifice. Voyager 1 discovered a peculiar haze that obscured Titan. The curious scientists back on Earth then planned to revisit the moon. That mission was a collaboration between NASA and ESA. They planned to do an extensive study of Saturn and its moons. The probe was named the Cassini-Huygens as it had a co-traveler with it, the Huygens probe, that had an objective to land on the surface of Titan. Cassini was launched on October 15, 1997 from Cape Canaveral Space Launch Complex 40 aboard a Titan IV rocket. After its launch, Cassini made 2 gravity assist flyby around Venus and then one around Earth. Then it zoomed past the asteroid belt before reaching Jupiter, where it made another flyby. When it flew past Jupiter, it took some brilliant images of the gas giant that amazed the scientists. Cassini took around 26,000 pics of Jupiter. Man, even a selfie addict doesn't take that many selfies. But to be honest, Jupiter is way more photogenic. On July 1, 2004, Cassini entered Saturn's orbit and became the first space probe to orbit Saturn. Cassini observed Saturn in greater detail than any other spacecraft. It observed the benevolence and the violence of the ringed giant and witnessed the delicate harmonies of gravity. Cassini discovered 7 new moons of Saturn, including the ones that has been shown in the screen here. The ice particles in Saturn's ring were moving to and fro in the beautiful cosmic dance. On July 2, 2004, Cassini had its first flyby around Titan, an astounding world of liquid methane lakes. The radar images revealed the surface of Titan, which was found to have a relatively level topography. On December 25, 2004, mankind celebrated a unique Christmas as Huygens probe, who was the co-traveler with Cassini, separated itself from the probe and descended into the surface of Titan. As it touched the ground, it confirmed that the landing site was a shoreline of one of those methane lakes. Titan is now considered to be potentially well equipped to support extraterrestrial organisms or simply aliens. As Cassini flew by Enceladus, it witnessed plumes coming out of the fractures. Pirouetting to look at the cracks silhouetted against the sun, Cassini discovered uniqueness within the unique. The thing which was more lovely than the loveliest thing was that the jets were of liquid water filled with organic molecules that flew out into space, and eventually those would become ice particles, orbiting Saturn as another faint ring. As Cassini flew through the plumes, it collected samples of the water being ejected. Scientists confirmed that these plumes were coming from a subsurface ocean having the same pH as of ours. The subsurface ocean opened up a new horizon for astrobiologists. On July 19, 2013, Cassini took an image of Earth from Saturn that left an afterimage in the eye of scientists. It also took an image of Saturn's rings scattering the sunlight. Cassini observed the hexagonal storm on Saturn's North Pole over an extended period of time. On November 2016, Cassini began its grand finale. After the final flyby of Titan on April 2017, Cassini changed its orbit that took it dangerously close to Saturn. Cassini made 22 daredevil dives between the planet and its rings. It was quite dangerous. As Cassini was running out of fuel, ground scientists feared that it might eventually crash on Titan and Enceladus and contaminate its alien biosphere with Earth microbes it might be carrying. So, a bold decision was taken: Cassini's bittersweet farewell. On September 15, 2017, Cassini dived into the atmosphere of Saturn, and on 7:55 am Eastern Time Zone, signal from Cassini was lost forever as the cosmic monster ripped apart our little Cassini into shreds. Cassini then became one with Saturn. So whenever we look at Saturn, we know that our representative lies there, somewhere within Saturn. Cassini served 20 years in space and orbited around Saturn for 13 years. Cassini's sacrifice will be retold by generations of science enthusiasts, a story of sacrifice and bravery. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, then drop a like on it and share it with your friends. And yes, don't forget to subscribe